Your remote not working all the time? Having to get closer to the vehicle so it'll work on your Dodge Dart? Stop worrying. Let's change the battery first before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership and see if that was a problem. I'll show you in this video step by step. No special tools. All you need is a brand new CR2032 battery. With that, your emergency key release right here, you are going to pull it towards you. It is spring loaded. Remove your emergency blade. Now your emergency blade is out. You can see where the key came out. Look right across. You'll see a little indentation. Take the tip of that key and put it in there and gently pry up. See the two halves came apart. I like to push the remote down. Make sure the rubber seal stays seated. Take your key, put it under the battery, pop it out, toss it to the side. Get you a good quality battery. This is not a product placement. And let's go ahead and put it in. Remember, positive side down. Now take the two halves, put them together. And when you do, it should seat properly and start snapping together. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please like and leave a comment down below. And remember, let's be safe out there.